ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। हर हर महादेव। Shravan Mass Mahatmya. Spiritual importance of Shravan month. Shravan or Sawan is the fifth month of the year according to Hindu calendar. It is also called the month of rainy season or power season because it rains heavily during this time. Many important festivals are celebrated in this month in which Haryali Teej, Raksha Bandhan, Nag Panchami, etc. are prominent. Sawan Purnima is celebrated as Nariyali Purnima and Avani Aviyattam in South India, Kajri Poonam in Central India, Raksha Bandhan in North India, and Pavitropana in Gujarat. The diversity of festivals is the identity of the uniqueness of India. Worship of Lord Shiva has special importance in Shravan, that is Sawan month. The Mondays falling in this month are called Sawan Somvar, in which women and especially unmarried girls keep fasts, etc. for Lord Shiva. Mythological story of the month of Sawan. When Sanat Kumar asked Lord Shiva the reason for his liking for the month of Sawan, Lord Bholenath told that when Devi Sati left her body through Yog Shakti in her father Daksh's house, before that Devi Sati had vowed to have Mahadev as her husband in every birth. In her second birth, Devi Sati was born as a daughter in Himachal and Queen Mana's house in the name of Parvati. Parvati observed a strict fast in the month of Sawan in her youth by staying without any food and pleased Lord Shiva and married him, only after which it became special for Mahadev. Another story. Markandeya, son of sage Markandu, performed severe penance in the month of Sawan for a long life and obtained the blessings of Lord Shiva. Due to this, even Yamraj, the god of death, bowed down in front of the mantra powers he got. Another reason why Lord Shiva loves the month of Sawan is that Lord Shiva descended on earth in the month of Sawan and went to his in-laws' house, and there he was welcomed with Arghya and Jalabhishek. It is believed that Lord Shiva comes to his in-laws' house every year in the month of Shravan. This is the best time for the residents of the earth to get the blessings of Shiva. It is mentioned in mythology that the Samudra Manthan was done in this month of Sawan. After churning the ocean, the poison Halahal came out, which Lord Shankar protected the universe by absorbing it in his throat. But Mahadev's throat turned blue due to drinking the poison. This is why he was named Neelkant Mahadev. To reduce the effect of the poison, all the gods and goddesses offered water to him. Therefore, offering water on Shivling has special importance. This is the reason why offering water to Bholenath in Shravan month gives special results. It is mentioned in Shiv Puran that Lord Shiva himself is water. Therefore, worshipping him in the form of Abhishek with water has the best result, in which there is no doubt. It is mentioned in the scriptures that Lord Vishnu goes into Yog Nidra in the month of Sawan. Therefore, this time is invaluable for devotees, sages and saints. This is a Vedic yajna that takes place in 4 months, which is a type of mythological fast, which is also called Chaumasa. After that, Lord Shiva takes the responsibility of running the universe. Therefore, Lord Shiva becomes the main deity of Sawan. In Sawan month, Lord Shiva should be worshipped with his family members. In this month, Rudrabhishek of Lord Shiva has special importance. Therefore, Rudrabhishek can be done every day in this month, whereas in other months one has to wait for the auspicious time of Shiva Vas. In Rudrabhishek of Lord Shiva, he is bathed with water, milk, curd, pure ghee, honey, sugar or jaggery, Ganga jal and sugarcane juice, etc. After Abhishek, Shiva is pleased with Belpatra, Shamipatra, Kusha and Doob, etc. In the end, Bhang, Dhatura and Shrifal are offered to Bholenath as prasad. The offering of Belpatra and Shamipatra on Shivling has also been described in the Puranas. Belpatra is offered on Shivling to please Lord Shiva. Offering 1 flower of Aak on Shivling gives fruits equivalent to donating gold. 1 oleander flower is more auspicious than offering 1,000 oleander flowers. And 1 bilva leaf is more auspicious than offering 1,000 bilva leaves. 1 drone or guma flower is as fruitful as 1,000 bilva leaves. 1 chichida is equal to 1,000 guma. 1 kush flower is equal to 1,000 chichida. 1 shami leaf is equal to 1,000 kush flowers. 1 blue lotus is equal to 1,000 shami leaves. 1 dhatura is more auspicious than 1,000 blue lotus, and 1 shami flower is more auspicious and meritorious than 1,000 dhaturas. Shravan month Mahatmya story is completed. All those who are listening, please say with me, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev, Har Har Mahadev. Friends, please like and share this video. Also do subscribe the channel. Thanks. Om Namah Shivaya.